Alright, Happy New Year everybody. I'm going to do an unboxing of the Parrot Bebop 2 with Skycontroller because when I tried to find out what the box contained, couldn't find it anywhere. Parrot's site, any of the sites that are selling it. That way everybody knows what comes with the Bebop 2 and Skycontroller. So, let's open it up. Came from Parrot, so it's got these seals especially on here. And we've got a little first time start, what to do with the battery, make sure you charge it, update it, and on top is the drone. So we'll pull that out first. It's the red one, black and white with the Skycontroller, hasn't released yet that I found. You'll notice the blades are a little bit bigger than the original Bebop. Also comes with the lens cap to cover it up, keep it from getting scratched when you're storing it. And different LED on the back, bigger. Also, the battery is different. On the original Bebop, I noticed mine did not stay in very well, but this one does not come with the strap to hold it in. It comes with a different connector on the end. It snaps into place, holds on a lot better than the other one did. Here's the LED light. That's how bright the LED light is on the new one. So that's the drone. Now for the Skycontroller. Looks pretty similar to the other one. Same functions, the buttons look a little bit different. Comes with the neck strap. Skycontroller. Alright, so here's what everybody probably wants to know. What does it come with? Well, of course it comes with one battery that's already on the drone. It also comes with a mounting tool, a USB cable, charger and cable, and 4 plugs. The charger is a little different from the other one also. It actually has a cord that hangs down to plug it in. USB cable, all your different connectors, and the mounting tool for your blades, for your propellers, and the charger. As you can see, charger now plugs in like that. This plugs into the battery hanging down below, so plugs into the wall down below. Of course you got all your connectors to connect it into the wall. Box number 2, dock adapter for a 7-inch tablet, extra battery, your user guides, and the neck strap. Neck strap's already on. Extra battery, user guides, and there's the extender for the 7-inch tablet. It does not come with 3 batteries like the Parrot Bebop with Skycontroller. This one only comes with 2. Last, you get the adapter for the iPad mini, your sunshade cover, and you still get 4 extra propellers. There's your iPad mini, 2 red propellers, 2 black propellers. There is your visor. Alright, so now you know everything that's in it. I've taken it on a couple test flights. I flew it around in the house a little bit. The video quality there was something iffy. I don't know if it was the lighting, maybe a fan was going, maybe it was the small area, but there was some ripple waves in the video. Took it outside today, flew it up. Perfect video quality. There wasn't anything wrong. I'm guessing there was just something in the house that was making it a little unstable, or I'm not sure, but took it outside, everything works great. So that's what comes with it. If you have any questions, comment below. I'll try to get back to you.